Let's learn colors with fun! Yeah! Red, what do you see? Juicy apple smiling at me. Wow! Blue, shining bright, mean like the sky so big and light. Yellow, happy and fun, shining like the warm bright sun. Green, fresh and cool like the trees near my school. Orange, bold and sweet like the fruit